Good morning, students. Let us all stand. Who wants to lead the prayer? Okay, lead the prayer. Good morning, class. You can take your seats. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Michelle May de los Santos, your teacher for today. Row 1, is there any absent? How about row 2? Very good. You are all present and ready to learn. So before we begin our lesson, let's review our classroom rules. Remember, we need to be respectful of each other, keep our voices at an appropriate level, and we should also keep our classrooms clean and orderly. And lastly, let's ensure we treat our learning materials with care. So does everyone understand? Okay, so let's recall what we talked about last time. Can you still remember our lesson? What is one thing that gives light at night? Very good, it's the moon. And what do we call the things that gives light? Excellent. Source of light. Today, we'll learn about one very special source of light and heat during the day. Can you guess what it is? Very good, the sun. Okay, grade 2, are you ready to learn something bright and warm? Look, what do you think this is? Who saw the sun today? Raise your hand. How did it feel on your skin? Great. So let's sing a song together. But before we sing, can you read our topic for today? The sun and its role. Very good. So here is our lyrics for our song, Mr. Sun Song, to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay, so let's sing a song together in the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Shiny, shiny Mr. Sun gives us light for everyone. Warms the earth and helps plants grow. Gives us energy, you know. Shiny, shiny Mr. Sun, you're our helper number one. Very good. So I have a flashlight here to act like the sun. Let's see what happens when it shines on things. Okay, so what happens to this plant with sunlight? It grows. And what about this boy? And this house? Very good. So the sun helps plants grow, keep us warm, and give light to our homes. So do all of this need the sun to live or function? Can we live without the sun? Why not? Now it's time for our fun activity. I will give you your coloring worksheets and let's color the pictures that need the sun. Okay, so let's color the boy and the girl playing under the sun. And remember, they need sunlight to stay warm and happy. Okay, so can anyone show me their coloring and tell me why the sun is important in this picture? Class, let's think back what we learned today. Can anyone tell me what the sun gives us? Very good. And who needs the sun? That's right. The sun helps plants grow, keep people and animals warm, and gives us light to see during the day. So let us all say together, the sun gives us heat and light. It helps all living things grow and live. So now I will give you test paper. You will draw a circle around the correct answer. Are you ready? For your assignment, you will draw a picture of yourself doing something fun under the sun, or playing, biking, or watering plants, and then color your drawing and bring it next meeting. Understand? Very good. Okay, goodbye class.